Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over Bitcoin. Today we are up around 2.89% on the 1 hour chart. We just got off of overbought territory on the 1 hour RSI, and we start to see the MACD starting to diverge on the 4 hour chart. We do see we are approaching overbought territory on the 4 hour RSI. We have not breached it yet, so we may have more room to go much higher. And on the daily chart, we are also near overbought territory on the daily RSI. So eventually we'll hit it, and then we may even touch the previous resistance that was made back in June 26. So I do see that as potential resistance we will reach. And as for support, if we lose strength and do go back lower, I do see support at the 50-day moving average. Reason why we found support back here, and there is also a gap, so there is a decent floor around here. So if we do lose steam, we may see sideways action. And if we were to continue on higher, that price movement is roughly around, I would say it is around 7.8% move up. On the other hand, if we were to continue to move down, that price movement is around 32%. Onto the next module, I'll compare today's current trend right here with this trend that dated back to October 24th to December 23rd, 2015. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend, we touch the upper Bollinger Band right here, and this will be a green circle, and then we see sideways action right here, slightly dipping below the middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded to go on higher right here and to touch the upper Bollinger Band once more, and then we see a reversion to the mean right down here and right there. And then what we see in this trend, we see in the beginning touching the upper Bollinger Band right in the beginning of the trend, and then we see sideways action, slight dip below the middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded to go on higher right here, and then we reverted back to the mean right here, touching the middle Bollinger Band. So the current trend is slightly forward looking, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and also 1, 2, 3, 4 points as well. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast would also be the same. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day where Bitcoin went to back in 2015 on October 24th to December 23rd. So right here, so 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, 7 days out. So back then Bitcoin was down around 5%, so most likely we'll see sideways action in the next coming days. And here's the line chart I compared it to. So what we have here is the current trend, and then overlapping it is the 2015 and between October 24th to December 23rd. It slightly overlaps pretty well, and that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.